Hey guys, so let's say that I've completed all my assignments and I still need to practice. What do I practice? I don't have any music to practice. I'm already pro at it all. Okay, Smart Music has a solution. So if you come over here, you can select this music categories if you'd like, or you can come here and select Find Music. Come here to find music, and well, you got to select a category anyway. I want to play some solos. See what they've got for me here. So I click on solos. Oh, you've hit an error. Reload. Load faster. Solos. We'll try that again. Ta-da! All right. Now there's a bunch of solos on here. Everything has been unlocked, so you can access whatever you want. Right now I have my flute out again because it's really easy to get out. So I'm gonna select, nope, not that. I'm gonna come over here and select instrument. I'm gonna pick the flute. All right. It's uploading everything that is a solo and that is flute. Okay, that's still 9, maybe more pages. Okay. I'm not that very good at playing the flute. So I'm going to click on very easy music. Oh, there's only one really. Accessible solo repertoire for flute. All right. Okay. I'm going to open it and it's going to ask me to select a movement. Okay, which one of these tunes do I want to try playing? I've never heard of any of these. Okay, let's go with spinning song. I'm gonna open that. Well, that doesn't look easy. Never mind. I'm gonna go back. And look, that's what I opened last. It's showing up recently opened if I ever want to go back to something that I haven't tried before. Find music, solos. You know what? I'm really feeling some Harry Potter. So I'm gonna select Harry Potter. Searching. Ooh, easy popular instrument solos. Okay. Oh, look, here's flute. Harry Potter instrumental solos from the movie or easy popular? I'm going to go with easy popular music solos. Okay, I'm going to click open. What do they got here? Hedwig's theme. Lord of the Rings, James Bond. Okay, I'm just going to go with Hedwig's theme. And click open on that. Loading. Internet so slow. Okay. Not too bad. Okay. Now I could just practice it without clicking record if I wanted to. So on and so forth. Or I could click record. It's got some pretty cool accompaniment. By the way, this is going to hear itself and not me so much. Look, I got it wrong because I was talking. Well, that was fun. Got a 74%. But hey, this is just for funsies. But yeah, you could do that to practice whatever music you want. You can find solos. You could find other kinds of music. For example, if I want to find some choir music, and I sing, let's see, let's find some choir music, choir voices. You're gonna do a lot of scrolling. Okay. Oh, look, voice all. Let's go select all voices. Searching. Okay. It's a lot of stuff. Pretty alright. Oh, Amazing Grace. I know that tune. I'm just like open. What do I want to sing? I'm gonna go with female voice because I'm a woman. Open that up. Okay, it's downloading the accompaniment. Here are the lyrics. Ooh, this looks fun. I want to know what my starting pitch is. I'll click on the little circle here. Okay, that's my first pitch, so I'm gonna start from the beginning. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now am found. Was blind, but now I see. Well, that was fun. So you could sing along. And if you want to download it, you could save it and share it with your grandma or something, because it sounds pretty fun. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. Yeah, you can do what you want. So, yeah, practice, explore. They've got a huge library. I mean, like a lot of stuff. If I were to, oh my goodness. Select this. I select band and orchestra, but like no categories. I mean, there's just so much available. Choir music. Yeah, 12 pages of this stuff. I want to try some jazz music, but I don't want choir as well. I got, well, 2 pages of jazz music. Not a lot. Anyway, even our method books are on here, if you're interested. Page 2. Essential elements for strings, right there. I think on page 5 is standard of excellence for the bandos. Yeah. Practice. Do what you can. This whole program's got tons of stuff in it.